Now let's move to modified quantity theory of money in the Salesism economy. The quantity theory of money is better known MV equals PT. There are different variants of this equation. M is average quantity of money in a given period. V is velocity or the money turnover or how many times the monetary unit has been used. P is the average of price paid in a given period. T, the number of transactions in a given period. Sometimes we use Q, is the number of units sold. Monetarism assumes V and Q are constant, and increasing M raises the prices P. According to the dimension utility rule, a part of the new consumption by bit sales will go toward buying product other than those consumed first. These other products may have poor sales, which means they are idle resources in the economy. Without bit sales, these idle products may not be sold, and the resources will remain stuck in them. As illustrated before, when the customers try to redemand the same product and recognize that these products become expensive and overrated because the demand becomes excessive, and as the bit sales holder already have these products from their initial purchasing, they will most properly direct their bit sales to other options. These other options in their new demand may contain idle products in the economy. Velocity, V, is psychological. It depends on the consumer pessimism or optimism about the economic prospects. Bit sales increase V, velocity, while P, prices, are nearly constant because the sellers are customer-oriented. Prices will most likely not increase to maintain customer loyalty and keep the sellers competitive in the bit sales ecosystem. When bit sales increase V, while B is nearly constant, GDP increases without the need to print more M, money. The modified formula in the Salesism economy, more sales leads to more velocity with no much need to increase money. As the bit sales ecosystem matures, the sectors with low sales will succeed in achieving some sales and maybe reach the break-even point, which secures the jobs and gives more attractiveness to the entire economy.